Good day, Ma'am Matabile. This is our final project in SIAA 311, and this is the online ordering system with database for G-Hitch by Konekta IT Services. Let's start with our introduction. Online ordering systems have become common due to pandemic, and even now that everything's starting to go back to normal, online store is still favored by the majority since they wouldn't have to really go out of their way just to come and look at products physically, but instead will just have to check it online through their respective website where they can view and process almost everything via internet or through online. The use of websites or online ordering system will also enhance the way of the owner on how he organizes products and its various classification that can be easily done with the help of the database by adding or removing their shop-related products. Using the online ordering system will also be a reliable source of customers and clients since it will be accessible to almost anyone who is connected to the internet and browse the store comfortably in their homes or anywhere as long as they have internet. Next is history. As the owner of the business stated that their business history came from an ideal dream and hobby turned into a business that is now growing consistently and economically. Rusty Gabriel, the owner, had his friend to help him on starting his business. With his friend's experience, they were able to come up with their own products and model of tow hitch, and finding supplies of bike and motor rack to sell it as a package to the customer. They started selling their product online and note that they have physical shop that can be visited to take a good look at their products. Located at Block 4, Lot 4, Morning Glory Street, BF Homes, 3, Caloocan City. According to them, it was hard to sell their products at first, especially during the pandemic. It was also hard for them to sell since they only use Facebook Marketplace, and since there are hundreds and many variants of car accessories, they have lots of competition and it is hard to sell. Next.
Next is method. Our team used Agile method to create an online ordering system with database. Meet and plan, design, code, and test release, and feedback are the steps of Agile methodology for developing our system.
Next is organizational chart. G-Hitch was founded by Mr. Rusty Gabriel with the help of his friend, Mr. Nicole Padre, who is also the product head that is responsible for the production of the tow hitches and other products. And also with the support of Mr. Gabriel's wife, Mrs. Shella Gabriel, who is also the manager who's managing the financial matters of the business. They also have workers. One of them is Mr. Miko Urbino, who helps with other tasks such as painting the products, and Mr. Robbie Kosho, who installed the products on the customer cars. Next, why did we choose this system? We chose this online ordering system as our project for our client because me and my team think that this is the best system that can help his business grow. Our project team aims to design and develop an online ordering system with database that provides other ways for our customers to buy products. A system that anyone can use easily, a system that is more convenient for our customers. And using our system guarantees your product will be delivered from our physical store straight to your home safely. And you don't have to worry about your personal information because our system has provided a sign up for an account where you can create your personal account containing your personal information where only you and our trusted personnel have access to it. Next.
Next is our scheduling or Gantt chart. So here's our analysis phase, design phase, development phase, testing phase, and lastly our implementation phase.
The next one is technical feasibility. Nowadays, people who have businesses utilize the use of the internet through online selling, which is another reason we suggested creating an online store for Mr. Resty to create a new opportunity for GH marketing and sales. It will be much easier to share, maintain, and advertise his products since using the internet He can widen the reach to attract more potential customers because an online store is more accessible than only having a physical store. The system will surely be a big help to the company, G-Hitch, because we created a user-friendly system so that the users can easily choose and add to cart products using the system.
Next is organizational feasibility. As we as we were having a conversation with our client, he stated that he only has a physical store to sell his car accessories. Therefore, he asked us that he needs our service by making something helpful for his business. So we decided that the best system we can make for him is ordering system, wherein the developers will we will make online shop for clients' business. Having an online ordering system is important as that is the modern way when it comes to purchasing items. So having one will help the client's business reach more engagement. It's easier for the buyers to see the products, visual looks using pictures that will be provided by the owner of the business, Mr. Resty, and the product prices. According to him, it is much more convenient to have an online ordering system because it will help him to update and advertise his products and their prices.
Next is our economic feasibility. Using the online store wouldn't cost the production team that much, so there is no risk in creating it. The only thing is maintaining the system and the possible emergencies that may arise during the executing and testing phase. We and the client himself agree to minimize the cost and expense in creating our project. So therefore, we will have to abide with the set condition on what we have agreed on and will follow within the estimated price. There is not much money included in creating the system, only the time spent by the team and the other miscellaneous fees like food, water, electricity, etc.
The next one is requirements gathering. Our team together with our client had our first meeting through Zoom. We talked about his business and discussed our plan to develop an online ordering system with a database that will help facilitate the purchases of customers' products. We also talked about what needs to be improved. Our second meeting was held at our client's house located at Block 4, Lot 4, Morning Glory Street, BF Homes 3, Caloocan City. We talked about our progress in our system and our future plans about it. He liked the system and he also gave us suggestions. He wanted us to add a tab wherein customers can see the past works and clients of G-Hitch. He also let us see their physical shop and the production area wherein we took a picture as part of our documentation. The next one is use case diagram. The use case diagram is used to visualize how the customer and client interact with the system. And this diagram also shows the ordering process of the system. In this diagram, we have two actors, the customer and the owner. Customers can log in and verify their password. They can also browse for the items they want. After that, they can view and select the product that they want to buy. Then proceed to check out after choosing the product that they want. Next, they will proceed to make a payment. In making a payment, they can choose between GCash, bank transfer, or cash on delivery. Then customers can review and confirm their order. On the other hand, the owner can use the admin panel, or what we call the control panel, to review the orders made by the customers and fulfill them accordingly. The owner can also add and remove products for the customers to view and will later on proceed to checking out the products they added to the cart. And lastly, the owner gives the customers the option to choose on what kind of payment they want to proceed with their order.
Next is our context flow diagram. The context flow diagram illustrates the overview of the system. This diagram shows all the possible actions that the system can execute. Here you can see the flow between the customer, system, and the admin. The system can receive customer details, their order product, and make a payment. The system will deliver the product to the customer. The system can send a stock report and stock list, while the admin or the owner can update the stocks.
Next is the data flow diagram. The data flow diagram illustrates the flow of the system. This kind of diagram illustrates how the customer and product information are saved to ensure that the data entered are correct to prevent errors in the system. In our data flow diagram, we have two entities, which are the customer and admin. We also we also have five data process. First is manage customer information. As you can see, customer can send customer details to manage customer information, while manage customer information can send list of products to customer. On the other hand, admin can send product details to manage customer information, and manage customer information can send list of customers to admin. Second, manage sales information. Manage sales information can send product list to admin, and customer can send product details to manage sales information. Third one is the manage or order. Admin can send process order to manage order, and manage order can send order details to admin. Fourth, update stocks. Admin can send list of stocks to update stocks, and update stocks can send update stocks report to admin. Lastly is manage delivery. Manage delivery can send product delivery details to customer, while admin can send delivery information to manage delivery. Next.
Next is entity relationship diagram. So this is our ERD where it provides a visual starting point for our database that it can also be used to help determine information system requirements throughout an organization and shows the relationship between the table in our database. Where the process take place. First is our user table where the account information of the customer is directed and stored. Next is the order table where the orders of the customer can be viewed and stored in the database. And, last but not the least is the cart table where it precedes the checking out of the product that the customer bought, and that and that sum up our ERD.
Design or prototype of the system.
Hi, I am Brian Besiño, and I am here to demo our online ordering system and its database. I will showcase you our website that we created. So first is the login and the sign-in form, or the web page where the users and the customers can sign up and log in their respective accounts. So first is we try to log in a non-existent account. So let's try Emmy. Then maganda as password. As you can see, incorrect password since there is no account created like that. So let's try first signing in the account. Any password as maganda. And if we try to incorrect the confirm password, the prompt will say password doesn't match. So let's try again. And ganda. Then maganda. Now the account is created and we'll see at the database if it is truly created. As you can see, it now displays that the account is created with the password of Maganda and the user email as M. So let's try to log in using that account, Emmy, and then Maganda. As you can see, login successful, but first let's try again if we did not match the password with the account that we created. So let's try anything. As you can see, incorrect password, and it will just go back to the login form. So again, let's try the account that we created. Login successful. So here's the home of our data of our website. As you can see, we display a simple simple picture to showcase of what the shop offers and the products itself. As you can see in the footer, it is a functioning footer where if you click the address, you can it will be directed to the Google Map where the shop can be located. And phone number, if you're using a mobile device, it will directly call or text the number indicated here at the footer. Next will be the email, which is the GROC155, a functioning email where it will be directed if you try to click on the href of the website. I haven't signed it in my account, but it is a functioning. Next is the Facebook page. Let's try clicking the Facebook page, and it will direct you to the Facebook page of the G-Hitch, which is the business page of the company. And here we give credits to our team, which is the Konekta IT Services, and about the GH, a glimpse of history and what the GH is all about. The gallery page, which is where the GH Plus works and clients. So it is the past works of the GH and clients where satisfied customers took some pictures to post on our website. So next would be logout, a functioning logout button. Okay. And next will be the admin panel where we can add products to our database. So first, as you can see, there is no products here, and even in our database. There's no product. So let's try adding product here. First is Hyundai. Let's say Hyundai biker. Then the product price, let's say 500. And then pictures of a Hyundai car. Let's say this one. And then add product. As you can see, we have added a new product, which is the Hyundai bike rack. And let's check to the database if we successfully added. And there it is. We have successfully added the Hyundai bike rack. And let's check if we can view it now on the product menu. As you can see, it is now on the latest products. And if we try to add to cart the product, it will directly go to the cart menu and it will prompt you to say that product add successful. So as you can see here, there is now a product view. And if you want to remove the product, you can just click remove and it will now remove the product. But still, the product here is available to add in your cart. Again, let's try to add another product. Let's say Vios 2009. Product price will be 9. And this file, let's say this one. Vios and add product. As you can see, we have added another product. And let's check the database if we have successfully added product. There, as you can see, we have successfully added the VS product. And let's check if we can view and add to cart. There, product added successful. As you can see, there is now a full product where you can see the 2 added products here. And if we proceed to check out, it will now take you to the ordering information where you have to put your name, let's say Emmy, number as your 9999999, their email, Emmy, Tom. Let's say we want to pay a Gcash, house number, black 1. Wait. GY for Quezon City. Okay. And now we have successfully ordered this, and the total is the 1,499. And if we click order now, order successful, your amount will be 1,499. And as you can see, you can now safely remove your products here and here and continue shopping. Let's check if we can see the order menu here. As you can see, now the admin or the owner can see all the products that is ordered here in the database. He can keep in track all the products here and check all the information needed to deliver the product. I think I've covered everything within our website and database, and that's all. Thank you po.
So thank you for listening to our presentation. I'm Crismarie Montalbo, our IT Project Manager.
I am Brian Besiñio.
I am Ramon Paolo Hidalgo.
And I'm Kevin for Maglinis.
And I am Angelo Santos.
And we are the Konekta IT Services. Thank you.